Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing, another unboxing. Actually, it's a collective haul of a few things that I've collected from Disney. As you can see, this I actually got it before they closed down the parks. So sad, but because of the circumstances, we cannot go to Disney. So what I'm doing is ordering Disney stuff through the websites. So that's what I'm doing. But this, I actually got it from the park right before they closed. So I have that. I have other stuff that I've been getting from, I got stuff from BoxLunch and I got something from Amazon. I did order something from the actual Disney website, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So I just decided to go ahead and do this collective haul because I have a few things that I wanted to show you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing my little Disney ears and my little Mickey sweater just because to be in the spirit of Disney. So yeah, we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys what I got from the actual Disney park. The last time that I went to Disney was back in, I want to say I got this right before they closed. So it had to be, it was early this year, but I got this and I'm super excited because I didn't want to buy any more anything because I already have, well, I have a pair of ears in here. I didn't want to buy any more ears because I already have these and I have a couple more, but I was like, I love this color too and I just need it and I bought it. So I ended up getting these ears right here. They're so cute. Can you guys see that? So they're the exact same, but these are purple. These are rose gold. These are the purple ones. And to go along with the ears, I got the matching backpack. So the backpack looks the same, has the same color. It's just so cute, you guys. It's so nice. Look. And this is from, yeah, Loungefly. So here's the little logo. And here's the back. It's so pretty, you guys. So I went ahead and got the matching backpack and the ears together. I thought it would be so cute to have this. I love purple, I love pink. Those are my two favorite colors. And I splurged on it because why not? So that's what I got from the actual park. I have the bag here. It's been sitting there because unfortunately we have not been able to go to Disney. We don't know when. It's kind of sad, but for now, I'll just wear them for videos. And I'll just pretend I'm at Disney. And the next stuff that I have here is from BoxLunch. I already unpackaged it because I take way too long unpackaging everything on camera. But you guys, I'm so freaking excited for this. We have this little inside, I guess like a little inside joke, my husband and I, and we talk about our dog, our son, not really our dog because we consider him our son. We call him, we always just say that he looks like him. Really, it's just because he's grumpy like him, and I mean it's just, he's just so cute, so we always think that he looks like him. So we got this pin because we just thought it was so cute and it was our baby. I ended up getting this right here. These are just some stickers, some stickers for either your phone, for your tablet, or your laptop. And here you go. As you can see in the picture right here, it has a few little different designs, and it's all Dumbo. It's so cute. We love Dumbo. We love anything Disney, as you can tell. But these are so cute to just like pop one on your phone or on your tablet. Look how cute that looks. Like, that's so cute. So I got that, and then the next thing I got is another pin. And this is actually, I didn't know because on the website it didn't really show that it was a mystery, or I guess I just didn't pay attention. But I thought I was gonna get this whole collection of different pins, and it was actually just one, and it's actually a mystery, so I don't even know what's in here. But it's a Nightmare Before Christmas edition, and I can get either one of those pins that you guys see on there. So I'm not sure what I got, so we're gonna unbox it together and we're gonna see what pin I got. So yeah, let's see, let's find out. So yeah, you guys, it's so sad that we're not able to go to Disney right now, but honestly, I'm just happy that we have health right now, and you know, that's the least of my worries. But yeah, if I can just brighten up my day by ordering some stuff from Disney, why not? And I'll just pretend I'm there. So it comes like this. It's in a little black bag, and what is it? I don't even know what. I think it might be the little house. I think it might be Zero's house. Let's see. So, opening it. No, it's not Zero's house, but it's Zero. Oh, that's so cute. So we have two pins now. That the other one, we just always say that reminds us of our baby, of our dog. And now this one, Zero, is an actual little doggy from Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a little cute doggy from Nightmare Before Christmas. So that's really cute. Yeah. Kind of wish I would have really checked the website and seen that it was only one pin. So maybe I would have ordered more. But yeah, I thought I was gonna get all of them, and they were on sale too, so I was like, oh wow, like such a good deal. But I didn't know it was just the one. But it was cute, like having the mystery. I'm gonna check and see if like they have more, because they have really cool ones. The Oogie Boogie, they have the heart with Jack and Sally, they have, I mean, these are all just so cute. So that was that. And then the next item, I'll show you the smaller one. It actually goes with the bigger item that I have, and it is a matching wallet. So I ended up getting a little wallet here. It's so cute, kind of like retro old school. And here's the tag. So it has like the slits here for your cards, and then it has a zipper for like, you know, cash. It's so cute because the inside is red, and then right here it alternates from black to red, and then like the pattern detail is just really cute. So as you can see, this is a matching wallet to, of course, a backpack. I have another backpack, you guys, because I just can't have enough backpacks apparently. But this one is really cute as well. It pretty much resembles the wallet. Obviously it's the same print, but it's like super packaged. Okay, I don't even want to like rip this, but I'm not patient, so I'm just gonna rip it. Okay, so here it is. I have the backpack, you guys. Look. Oh, it's so cute. I have an obsession with backpacks, as you guys can tell. I have tons of backpacks. I don't go to school, but I just love backpacks. And this is so cute. The zipper here, the little pull tab of the zipper, it's like Mickey's hand, and then it's like his shoe. That's so cute. And then the straps back here are red. Then it has like gold hardware. And there goes the zipper. And yeah, it's so pretty, you guys. And this one was $69.90. And this one was $16.90. But they were having a sale, so I got this for way cheaper than what their original price is. I believe I got everything with the pins and this for like $80, so that was a really good deal. And then, I mean, not cheap, but you know, for the backpack alone you're paying $70. So, but yeah, and then the inside, there's a bunch of stuffing on there, but the inside, it looks exactly like the wallet. It has the red interior. It has the red interior, as you can see there. It's just so cute. It's not like a leather material. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's just, now that I feel it, I'm not sure what kind of material it is, but it's just really cute. But I feel like I'm gonna have to really be careful with the material. It's not that leather or pleather. It's more like a softer material. But yeah, that was really cute. That was from BoxLunch. And then my next item is, you guys are gonna laugh. It's from Amazon. This is a box. And it's from this company called Bioworld. I'll just wait till you guys see what it is. So it looks like this. And you open it up. And I wonder what's inside. And it is another backpack, you guys. It's another backpack. But this one is a pin backpack. Can you guys see? So it's super cute. It has Mickey's face, and then this is like a clear plastic, and you can put the pins through. So you open this section right here. So as you can see, I've already added some pins on here just for the purpose of this video. I wanted you guys to see how it works, how it looks. So this is a plastic here, and then you go ahead and you insert your pins here, and they look like that when you have the pins inside. I just thought it was really cool because if you have pins and you don't know, like we have pins and we don't know where to put them, like we don't just want to put them anywhere because then they're gonna get lost. And I feel like right here it's like a perfect place because we can display the pins as we're like walking around the park. But not only are they displayed, but they're also protected, so like they won't fall off or nothing will happen to them. And it's just so cute because it's a backpack too, and then it's a Mickey's face. So yeah, we're just really excited to fill it up with our pins. We have a few, and yeah, So that's the 3 backpacks. Wow, I'm obsessed with backpacks. So yeah, you guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Oh, let me show you guys this. So this material is more like a kind of like a pleather, or yeah, like I don't know if it's real leather. But oh, so look, it's from the, I didn't even remember this anymore, but it's from the 90 year anniversary, and then it doesn't say the price on here. It was pretty pricey, but it's such a nice backpack, and I haven't seen a design like this. I know BoxLunch has something similar, but it's way smaller, and it just is not as cute as this one. This one's so pretty. It's black, it's sleek. My husband actually fell in love with this one. He is gonna wear it most of the time, probably every time. I'm probably gonna be wearing either this one or the other one. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Those were my 3 backpacks. Wow. So that was my Disney collection haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. I hope it brought a smile to your face watching a little Disney haul, because, you know, as we all know, we can't go to Disney right now, but we can go ahead and splurge on some Disney stuff online. So you can get things at BoxLunch, you can get things on Amazon, you can get things at the Disney website, shopdisney.com. I mean, it's still available, so we can go ahead and purchase these things without being at the park and still have a little fun in our life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. And yeah, you guys, have fun, stay safe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.